Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to allow or don't allow microphone permission in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on this three dot more icon and then click on permission manager. Now to allow or don't allow microphone permission, scroll down and click on microphone. Now here in microphone, it will show you the list of apps that can use the microphone permissions. So if you want to deny a app to use microphone permission, then go to the allowed section and open a app and then click on don't allow. Now here click on don't allow anyway to confirm, and now this app is denied to use the microphone permission and moved to the not allowed section. So this is the allowed section, and scroll down and here you will be able to see the not allowed section, and now you can see the camera app is moved to the not allowed section. And if you want to allow this camera app to use the microphone permission, then tap on camera again and from here choose allow while using the app, and now this app is allowed to use the microphone permission and move to the allowed section. So here you can see the camera app is moved to the allowed section. So that's how you can allow or don't allow microphone permission in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.